G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Guess who's back? Back again. Uncle Stewie's back.
Right here, folks. How you doing?
Tell a friend. So basically, it's been a while. For those of you long-time viewers, you know who this is. It's Uncle Stuart, 20 years experience in the car wash business, and my uncle. So we're heading out to the Victorville car wash, which we share. The very first car wash I got, because it's closed down right now, and that always sucks. There's a problem, we don't know what it is. The water is not coming out in the bays, so we're gonna head out together, check it out, see if we can fix it, see if it's an easy fix. Hopefully it is, because it's 110 degrees out there and we're gonna beat the heat. So anyway, what have you been up to in the last freaking 1 year of not being on my videos?
Feels weird getting out of bed this time of the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Who gets up at this time of day?
I don't know, but I'm still sleepy.
Not much, just still starting the car washes. Not really looking for many more. I've had my time in the car wash business. What have I been now? 20, actually it's longer than 20 years. It's 24 years, I think.
Wow.
So I think that's enough. But just maintain and keep the ones I have going and still making a good living.
Yeah, been traveling the world, just got back from Switzerland.
I did. I head off to Tahiti next week. And that's what the car wash business has given me over the last 25 years. So, yeah.
Living the dream.
Living the dream.
Very cool. Well, we'll see you guys at the car wash that is currently closed down. But since we turned off to get some Maccas for breakfast.
Don't show people that. I shouldn't be eating this.
Yep, you eat Maccas. We turned off the 210 freeway and we're going to stop by a car wash that Stuart used to own probably 11 years ago now. Just for a quick drive through, see how it's doing. Oh, we took those things off the roof that you had. Remember all those
big
poles?
flags. I had to cover this place with streamers to get the attention because it's kind of off the main road. The main road's there. And I cut a couple of trees down over there. Don't tell anybody, but back in the day.
Can you get a fine from the city 10 years later?
But looking pretty run down right now. I think the signs are still mine. The signs are still mine. I put all those signs up. See, he added the credit cards there. How much is it charging there, does it say?
It says $3 to start, but it doesn't, $3 for 4 minutes. So what are we, $3 for 5 minutes?
Yeah, but I'm thinking that I've been so busy lately, I might just have to bring the price down.
Bring the price down, bring the time down or the price up, either one, same thing. So Stuart put these signs up 11 years ago. It's a 6-bay car wash. Like we said, it's not on the main road, it's down the beaten track a little bit. It's got, what, 6 vacuums, but if it was where the car shop was, it would do a lot more business because it's much more visible from the busy Foothill Boulevard.
That's the same owner. He owns the whole property here, and he actually this guy's on a month-to-month lease right now, so I'm just debating whether to take it over again.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Here we are, pulling up. There it is. And we are closed for business.
But open soon.
Oh. So you put cones there and people move them. Yeah, pull in bay 3. See, people move the cones. So let's go check it out, see what the issue is, and try and get the money to come back in. Stuart, you haven't been here for 3 years. What the hell?
Looks the same.
We are in. Let's see what the problemo is.
Okay, it's been a while since I've been here. For some reason, I always thought we had the Dosatron systems here, but we don't.
Nah, no Dosatrons. Hydrominders, flow jets, all these solenoids.
Because it's very easy to get to the equipment. Like one of my car washes, you've got to get way under the bottom there and try to.
All right.
But, yeah.
Plus, it was already plumbed when we got it. It was already here. Everything was here.
Plumb with a capital P.
And we're still using it, so that's good.
Yeah,
but
yeah, we put that in. We put this in.
Yeah, put the RO system in for the spot-free water softening system. We put in that. Breakers are over here. So let's see. On. That's 4. 3's on. That's on. 5 on. All right, so all the bays are on now. Yeah. Let's go see what the issue is. Tissue for the issue. So I've showed this car wash on a couple of videos. For those fanatics watching, you probably recognize it. For those of you who are new, this is the very first car wash I got. Partnered with Stuart. I didn't have money at the time. I found the car wash. I built it up. I did the deal. He financed the renovations. Put about 40 grand into it. All new vacuums in, 4 vacuums. Obviously 5 hoses in the bays. We put the car wash secret recipe and it does pretty good. The rent's cheap, we're just renting it. We've got a 15-year lease and that was 5 years ago. We just exercised the option for the next 10 years at the beginning of this year. So that's good, but you can see the car wash is closed. Cone's blocking the bays. Roof is a little beat up from people hitting it, so we're going to take that down and fix that up maybe next week and just keep this thing running because it does okay. All right, so we're just going to start the bay and see what's going on. It might start out working. All right. See, it's working good now. This is bay 3. So it's working fine, there's no issues. The secret to keeping the gun on when you need to work inside and this needs to be on, the tennis ball. You're welcome. All right, so what happens when you put it on the high pressure soap? See, I turn it to high pressure soap and nothing. And then put it back on rinse and nothing. It's like 10 PSI right there. So it's when you put it on the high pressure soap. Let's go see what that could be. So again, rinse. We put it on high pressure soap, messes up. So it's like there's a blockage in the line because this is all bays. Put it back to rinse and it doesn't work. But then after like 15 or 20 seconds, then it comes good again. But that's no good because the customers right now are like, well, what the hell? It's not working. So it's like the water's trying to get through, so it comes good now. So I've never had this happen before, so we've just got to try and diagnose the problem. And the high pressure wax seems to be good. But again, high pressure soap, and it just dies. Huh, what a funny shadow. Then put it back on the rinse. And then it's bad for probably 15 or 20 seconds and gets good, but obviously that's no good for the customers, so let's go see if we can figure it out. If not, this place is done. All right, so I may have figured it out for some reason. The high pressure soap is on a flow jet at this car wash for some reason. Doesn't need to be the way it's set up at my other ones, but we changed out the flow jet pump. So let's see if it works. Again, it's
just the process of elimination, right?
Yeah.
Just working way back.
But every car wash is kind of set up a little different, so. So it's not like,
well, maybe it takes a while to come through because it's been off for a while.
High pressure rinse, so it was the flow jet pump. Again, it's weirdly set up. That's all it was, flow jet. So there we go, we got it on the high pressure soap. It's working, but there's no soap coming out, but let me go adjust it. So to adjust the soap, it's again different to my other car washes. It's got this regulator, so we're in bay 2. Bay 2 soap. Should be a little bit now.
Yeah, it's right now.
There we go.
Check to see the other base still working. I think we're good.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah, this base.
All right, so if we move it to rinse, back to high pressure soap. It's working. Yeah, still soap. Good enough. Time ran out. That's pretty good. Soap's on the lighter side, a tiny little bit more, but that's as easy as turning that little dial. So there's no spot free in just this bay. And we disconnected the hose from up top and it's coming out, so it must be behind here.
It's the only thing I can think of, Christopher.
Yep, otherwise we'll just sell the thing and go lay on the beach somewhere.
Do that now.
Makes it that much easier. So we are done, we are out of there. When things happen like this, it's always good to obviously show them, because you guys are probably like, oh, Chris always shows the good stuff, you know, he just goes there and picks up the cash. But you know, what's it really like, the day-to-days of running a car wash? Things happen every day. You know, you got to fix a leaky gun, a leaky swivel, you know, things
That's true,
happen.
but the best time is when you're heading home.
Best time is when you're
And you
heading
know
home.
you've gotten everything done that needs to be done.
Yeah, car wash is open again. Customers pulling in as soon as we took the cones away. So the money is coming back in, and there you go. Problems happen, fix them, move on, and get home to the beach.
That guy was so happy when we gave him a free car wash. He goes, I come here all the time and blah, blah, blah. And he's a big guy. What was he, about 6'3", 6'4"?
Yeah.
I always feel short around you guys.
Yep.
But that was good. It worked out today the way we like it.
Yep. So there we go. Heading home. Another day done at the car wash.
Yeah, it's only 11 o'clock.
Now what do we do?
Left here?
Yep, go left. Little bonus footage. Stopped off at Stuart's car wash on the way home.
I just noticed this little problem up here.
Uh-oh, problem. What's your
corner
problem?
here?
A little leak.
Yeah, a little leak. And it had to, you know, it couldn't be on something I could just unscrew. It had to be out of the PVC or CBB, BBCP. Squirt that day.
So this is it, just a 4-bay, busy road, very visible. 6 vacuums, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vacuums. 2 bill changes. Of course, he's got the MONEXgroup Credit Card terminals. 10 functions, $3 for 5 minutes, same as mine. Big Dixmoor timers. Hose is a little short. Let's see what he has to say about that. Otherwise, same setup. Oh, brush is getting a little low. Let's call him out. Look at that. Come on, let's go see what he has to say about that. But he'll send me photos where there's like cars lined up out on the street on the weekends. Literally 3, all lined up here, all bays full, 4 behind, and then out in the streets. So it's like 18 cars waiting to use it. So this does very good for him. He's got very rent cheap and a long lease. Very cheap rent and a long lease. Can't even speak today. So yeah, it's done pretty good. Done pretty good for him. You got a hog's hair brush head that needs changing. It's like your toothbrush.
Oh yeah, okay.
Calling you out on camera.
Okay, I got one of those, didn't I?
So we'll change that.
The guys aren't doing their job.
Guys aren't doing their job, but we're
It's
basically
time to fire somebody.
yeah,
Just to keep them all like, you know,
on their tippy toes.
on their tippies.
But we're waiting for a soap delivery, so the truck should pull up any second. And he ordered a pallet of soap, so that's what we're doing. 4 pumps, 4 motors, all right there, easy to work on. Same low pressure wall mount as mine. Spot free system. Boxes and junk everywhere. Homemade one.
Yeah, I'm checking that whole system out on Saturday. The new system is down here somewhere.
With the Dosatron.
The Dosatron system, yeah. Get rid of these.
Yeah, out with the old, in with the canoe. Soap's getting a little low.
Oh, good. Yeah, let me just...
1 inch from the bottom. Get some leftovers
Okay, move
there.
out of the way.
Alright, do your thing. You want me to do it since you're broken? Say no, please say no. There it is, the big soap delivery. R&L carriers. Straight from Vegas and Clean Right. He's gonna come and dump it right here, and then we're just gonna load him up and carry him inside to clean up his mess. Yeah, cleaning it. There it is. So there we have it, nice soap delivery.
Rusty knife. You can't use a new knife. It has to be rusty.
It's always refreshing getting a pallet of soap, knowing it's going to last, a couple of months. Depends how busy you
This
are.
is my second pallet of soap in 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yeah, I've been so busy. It's ridiculous.
Wow,
I hope you saw on the cameras.
I hope you're making 50 G's a month. Nice.
So they get the extra ones. You buy a pallet and you get 9 free now, right?
All right, till the end of the month, there's a soap special going on. Monster sale. So we take advantage of that.
And when When you're done with the filming, you can move the soap in for me.
But I guess I got to do the heavy lifting, so. Oh, and just to clarify, he doesn't go through a whole pallet at this one car wash in 3 weeks. He's got 2 other car washes, so a pallet for the other car washes too. 3 car washes in total for the 1 pallet. For you people saying wasting soap. Done and done. So let's go ahead and change this. I just unscrew it. Trash. Get some tape. Put the new one on.
Don't need the tape here.
Oh, no tape. Ooh. Living life on the edge. Well, if it leaks next week, you'll know why. Trashola.
Easy, put it in.
How long that take?
15 seconds.
Hey, we're at the circus. He just painted this maybe a month ago. Gave it a paint. Cleaned the signs. Yeah, look what type of customer just pulled in. We got a Cybertruck. I've never seen a Cybertruck at our car wash before. That's a first. Thanks for watching. Chris Atkins and Stuart Atkins with Car Wash Chronicles. See you all on the next video.